Mbak, sekarang kita mau ngapain, Mbak?
Sekarang kita mau ini workshop teman kita dari UK minta diajarin untuk memasak tongseng, sate, dan sambal tempe kemangi. Terus yang terakhir itu ini nasi daun jeruk.
Hello, I'm Sam. I'm from the UK, and I've been visiting Indonesia for about a month with Georgia.
Hello.
Ginger,
Ya.
balanga, puniri apa nak? Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Cumin,
Ya. Tumbar.
Coriander seed. And then lime leaf.
Ya.
Lemongrass.
Ya.
This one.
Salad.
Kefir lime
Oh, yeah.
leaf.
yeah, and this one is
Lime leaf.
lime leaf and kaffir lime leaf.
We get both of them, I think. This little one.
Kapulagai apa?
Cardamom.
Kapulagai.
Cardamom.
And you found Simple Partner on Instagram.
Yeah. So yeah, really like the Instagram and all the things that they do with the sort of the charity. And we came for dinner last night. Yeah, and the food was really delicious. So yeah, we wanted to make it.
So you vegan also, or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
How much? Enough?
Ya, enough. And four spoon. Yeah. Terus dimasak sampai matang. And ini dimasukin.
As well.
Ya.
All of it.
Oh.
Stir.
Kalau sampai harum itu apa ya?
Cook until it smell.
Okay.
Got Zach underneath it. It smells nice.
Jack.
Yeah.
And it's a really nice environment as well. Like being outside, surrounded by all the animals. There's like 3 cats here now. There's a pig, 2 dogs. That's really nice. And it felt like we were cooking with friends rather than having like a strict teacher.
I keep stirring.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it doesn't burn.
We're doing friends.
Chicken potong-potong.
Smaller.
Ya.
Potong.
No. Aduh.
Not the mushroom. Mushroom group. Until it's boiling.
Nah.
Boiling.
Yeah.
Coconut milk.
With coconut milk.
Yeah.
Do you buy it or do you like milk the coconut? You do?
Yeah.
How many coconuts would be for that?
A quarter kilo.
Yeah, okay. And then just like,
You blender it
yeah.
and
Air panas.
with hot water.
Hot water and coconut and blender.
Yeah. Wow. Maybe all?
Ya.
What are you cooking, chef?
Mushroom, tong.
Tongseng.
Tongseng.
Yeah.
Dong, dong.
Again.
More.
More. Stop.
We'll leave in.
Tip depends if you want it to look exotic.
Exotic
and
tongseng.
Yeah, with all the herbs and
Yeah.
spices. Mama con garnish sama
Ih,
Approved.
Yeah. It's good. Bareng.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's very tasty. Hard.
It's hard for you
Not too hard. It's interesting to see the different ingredients that go into it though.
when you try it at home. This way.
Oh yeah, definitely. I think we can get most of the stuff in the UK, apart from maybe these ones.
Hazelnuts?
Yeah,
Really?
maybe we can.
I don't know if I've
Not
ever
looked,
seen them,
but-
but maybe in like a world food place.
Yeah, but I think everything else we can get quite easily, so definitely try and make it in the UK.
Ajarin dulu. Mungkin ambil kursi lagi, Bu.
How am I doing?
Your first time?
Yeah.
Life is hard.
Reality.
Yeah. You. It's your turn.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go again.
okay.
Krek, krek, krek.
5 spoon.
So the same as the tongseng.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Is that?
Yeah.
Here.
How about the herbs? It's to like burn you out or it's
No, it's okay.
it's okay.
Not
yeah.
too spicy.
Ah, no, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, very tasty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fragrant. Yeah.
Sam really likes spicy.
Oh. But this kind of chili is not that spicy.
Not too
so
spicy,
yes.
I ate some green chili yesterday that was really hot in a kind of like in a croquette
Green chili.
green chili, but too hot.
Too hot.
Oh, saya ngaruh lombok guys.
Ya, lombok hijau.
Lombok hijau.
Kalian
Oh yeah, fine.
udah menyerap belum ke ini?
And also check the
Seitan.
seitan if the spices already if the seitan already absorbed the spices.
Yeah.
Quality.
Maybe one more minute.
Ya.
Three.
Ya. 3 or
Or
4.
four.
Oh no, this one's falling off.
Ya. Angel dia kangelan nak.
Keangelan.
Sorry, I ruined it.
Start again.
Yay.
Got it?
Practice make
Yeah, they will order 100 sticks from you.
You have to order in advance at our warung. Caramel. Wow. Think it's done?
Yeah.
I think this is hardest because we need to make the seitan as well.
Oh yeah.
Second time.
Third time.
Oh, third time. Sorry.
Like a lightsaber.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
It's okay enough for you. Good job, Georgia.
Yes!
But it was fun cooking it on the fire. Yeah.
You got it, Sam.
Well, that's a good time. She tries to make you nervous.
Ini potong-potong, slice. Potong. Ya.
Do you make the tempe from scratch?
No.
Easier to buy?
Yeah, it's very easy to buy here.
Yeah.
So we kinda give support the grannies who make the tempe.
I remember you said, yeah. Granny tempe.
Pick the leaf. Yeah, from the stem.
Okay, put it in here.
Ya.
We do it all.
Ya.
Semuanya?
Enggak, jangan semua deh. Seperempatnya biru.
Quarter.
Quarter.
Show you one more.
Yeah.
What's the name of this dish?
Kemangi.
Kemangi.
What is called in English?
Sambal tempe kemangi.
What are you cooking, chef?
Sambal tempe kemangi.
Kemangi.
Yeah.
What?
Kemangi. Kemangi.
Kemangi.
Ya.
Kemangi. Sambal tempe kemangi.
Ben ora langu bahasa Indonesia apa? Nanti ora langu pokoknya.
But yeah, I cannot find it in English.
I don't think we have a word.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know what you mean though.
Lasu. Itu lasu. Lasu.
Delicious? Tastes nice?
Oh, delicious.
How do you say?
Enak.
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 Enak. Ah,
Mantap.
Mantap.
Oh, okay.
Enak. Mantap. Jos.
Jos. That's easy.
Google Translate lied to me.
That's so nice.
Any similar taste or look like bring you to UK from this food? Any? No? Totally
Totally different.
Totally new, yeah. UK food is quite
salt and pepper.
And where we're from, there's not many Indonesian restaurants, so don't often eat Indonesian food. So it's really different. But
Yeah.
but it's different, but it's not like I would never be able to make this at home. I think we could try and make it at home.
Yeah.
Yang terakhir, last.
Nasi daun jeruk.
Yeah.
plus
What's this?
garlic
Oh yes.
and
Oh yeah, the blended.
yeah.
Garlic and shallot.
Ya,
Lime.
ya, cemplung.
And mix.
Okay. Stuff.
Mix.
Anything you want to say about today or Nabati Nusantara or Indonesia or
I think it's really nice to see that there's a place like this that exists. Yeah, it's just really nice to meet up with people who have a similar ethos to this kind of thing. Yeah.
Yeah, and it feels like it's like a little paradise in the city. Like you're close to the city, but feels like you're somewhere quite remote. But yeah, echo what Sam says. It's so nice to like be in an environment with people who really care about animals and want to share their love of animals. It's really nice.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you.